Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create this simple cartoon video using just your smartphone. Okay, we need an app to do this. So first of all, we have to get our Kinemaster app ready because that's the app we're going to use to create our cartoon video. So if you're using an iPhone, you go to your app store. If you're using an Android, you go to Google Play Store. So I'm on my Google Play Store already, so I have to search for Kinemaster app. Okay, so if you've not yet downloaded your Kinemaster app, you'll see download. So what you have to do is to tap on download and install. So I already have the Kinemaster app on my phone, so that's why what you see here is open. So now let's go to our Kinemaster app. Okay, now that you've gotten your Kinemaster app downloaded, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on it. So this is your Kinemaster app. So here is our Kinemaster asset store, and this is the middle button that you get to tap whenever you want to start your editing, and this is YouTube. So let's get straight to the video. So I'm going to tap on this middle plus button, and I'm going to choose the orientation I want to go with. So because there's a YouTube video, I'm going to choose 16:9. So the next thing I'm going to do is to choose my background. So you can choose to go with any image on your gallery, or you can choose to go with the plain background on Kinemaster app by tapping on this background. So I'm going to go with white. Okay, so after choosing the background you want to go with, you tap on OK. Okay, so here you make sure that before you start adding anything to add to your video, after choosing your background, you make sure that this tiny red line starts from the beginning of your clip. So I will drag it and make sure that it starts from the beginning of my clip. So here, the next I'm going to do is to tap on layer. So I'm going to tap on layer to add in the images I'm going to use. So I'll tap on layer and I'll tap on media. To my gallery where I have to choose the image that I want. Okay, so the first image that I selected was my clouds. So the next thing I'm going to do is to increase it and make sure that it takes the size of my screen. So by doing that, I'll tap on this tool to drag it to increase the size or to reduce the size, and this up here is to rotate. Okay, so you can use that to rotate your image or any clip at all that you added to your video. So I'm going to increase it. And if you watch closely, I'm actually positioning it to where exactly that I want it to be. Okay, so I'm going to add another image also as a layer. So you tap on your gallery, you tap on your clip, that's your background. You tap on this first clip that you added here, which was our background. Then you tap on the screen, just anywhere on the screen. Then you tap on layer, go to media, and you select your image. Okay, now that I've added my vehicle, the next I'm going to do is to reduce the size to exactly how I want it, and I'm going to position it. I'm going to place it on the road. Okay, now the next I'm going to do is to tap on this key icon. So I'm going to animate the vehicle. So to do that, I tapped on the key icon, and the next I'm going to do is to shift my vehicle a little bit. Then I'm going to move my screen to this direction. So now let's do that. So you move it a little bit, you move your vehicle a little bit, and you drag your screen a little bit. You move it a little bit, you drag your screen. So that's what you're going to do. Oh. Okay, now we are done letting our vehicle. So you tap on OK. So now the next thing I'm going to add to this video is my flower, or let's say grass, anything. Okay, so once you're done with your video, you can play to check if you're okay with what you just did. Then if you're cool with that, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on audio to add your background music. So you tap on, you can choose any music from your playlist, or you can tap on music assets to use any music by Kinemaster app. So in case you've not downloaded any and you want to download music from Kinemaster app, you just tap on this icon, then you see list of songs there that you love to work with. So after choosing your music, after choosing the background music you want to go with, you listen to it. Once you're cool with it, you tap on this. Once you're cool with the music that you selected, you tap on this plus icon. Then after tapping the plus icon, you tap OK. So here our video is ready. So the next thing we're going to do is to download our video. So here is where you have to export your video. So if you look here, you'll see my video is on high quality. So you can choose any quality you want to download. Maybe you can choose to download on the standard quality, or you can choose high quality. So then you tap on export. Then once it's done, your video is on a gallery, so you can watch it, you can choose to share it. So that's how to create a simple short cartoon video using Kinemaster app.